the interest of saving time and money and not having to have a buddy help me out with this, I picked up this brake bleeding fluid reservoir bottle from ARES. Now, if you're doing a brake job, you have to bleed the calipers, make sure there's no air in the system. In this case, I was changing out the brake fluid, so I really had to bleed all 4 calipers and take out all the fluid and replace it with new fluid as I went along. This is pretty difficult if you're a one-man operation in your driveway, so this really came in handy. It hooks up with the convenient hook, has plenty of capacity that you could just pump away and not have to worry about overfilling. It slips right on the drain plug and away you go. Pump and drain, one-man operation, super clean, convenient with the little hook, plenty of hose and flexible to get the job done. I didn't even have to jack up the car too much to use this to do the job. So it worked great for me, and it will probably work great for you.